Every single day, all over our world, arthritis causes debilitating spine and joint pain. It just does. It's a fact of life. Most of us end up dealing with this on our own. Doctors are hard to get in to see, and not to mention expensive. And most things ultimately, fortunately, thank goodness, just get better on their own. But not all. There are times when you need to act. There are problems that really do take a doctor to solve. And every day that you don't is another day that you lose to pain. Or even worse, you can end up with permanent damage because you didn't take care of the problem the right way at the right time, in the proper treatment window. Picking the right doctor is important, and important decisions are emotional. So most of us pick our doctors based on how we feel. I mean, I get it, but the best doctor is not a feeling. The best doctor is the professional most likely to solve your problem. People, this isn't a dating app. It's a job interview. You're looking for a doctor with a certain training, experience, and skill set. And those qualifications depend entirely on what's wrong with you. Look, if you had a broken toilet and you walked into the front counter of Home Depot, would you spend hundreds of dollars on stuff that you don't need so that they could refer you to the plumbing department? No, of course not. But with our health, we don't know what we need. And in the past, there was literally nowhere to turn for help. But I'm here now. At Best Practice, we help you find the right doctor by helping you figure out what's wrong and who normally fixes it. Do your research, watch my videos, go to the website, read the blogs, and scroll through the social channels. Get yourself informed and then call. My team will take your history, walk you through a checklist to make sure that you find the right doctor for you. Many of us today are on a budget, so if you like, we'll help you find the best doctor for your condition who's also close and takes your insurance. The most important thing you can do to help yourself is find the right doctor. The worst thing you can do is suffer alone. There's no need for that anymore. Don't let fear hold you back from the life you deserve. Do your research, then call us today. If you have a question you would like answered on Best Practice Live, click the link to our website and complete the submission form. The more information you can give us, the better we can answer your question. So please contact us and we can walk you through uploading your imaging to a secure server. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with information about your spine and joint health.